I go and open Quartz Composer, and then I can open an existing file. I'm gonna go with the one I just made that was called Pretty. Yeah, right. So I open that. There it is. Right, that's the program I had. I wrote the program mostly, right? And then I go to the viewer, and this is what the program does. You know, it does this. It's not neat and everything, right? That's my visuals. That's me in the visuals right now, waving, and that's real time. And so then I go to full screen to get a big picture, right? And it just goes down here in this small little corner, and I can't get it to stay out there. And yeah, it's just not doing it. This, I can't get out of this either with the screen recording. I don't think. I don't know. Yeah. Ah, no, it didn't stop screen recording. Okay.